Investing in crypto projects can be risky sometimes. You investing in a project that might end up being a scam and end up being a rock pool. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Tobilo Banje here once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your basic research and how to do your due diligence in the crypto space. Disclaimer: I aren't a financial advisor. This is based on my experience in the crypto space, and this video is for educational purposes only. If you're just joining us, kindly do us a big favor by tapping the subscribe button to our YouTube channel and kindly tap the post notifications to get notified whenever we upload creative content about cryptocurrency and how to make money using the tech space. Without further ado, let's dig in, let's dive in, let's go straight to the business. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the coin market cap, which is the market is down right now. So I'm going to be choosing a coin and we're going to be doing a research on it, basic research of how I do my research, and I'm going to be selecting H bar as an example. Okay, so the first what list you want to do, you want to know is you investing in what project exactly? What is the project all about? What is the project all about? Then you want to come to like making use of the tool like coin market cap to know what the tool is all about. Um, making going to their website, going to their socials, their engagement on their socials, what basically everything. But what are the most important ones that you should watch out for? I'm going to be showing you guys in a sec. Now, the first one is to know what this project is all about, which is now age bar. What is age bar? Age bar. What is age bar exactly? Age bar is the most blah 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 blah. Blah. You want to know everything coming to CoinMarketCap and looking at what the detailed info about what it entails, what is their utility, what problem are they trying to like solve. Okay. Now, as you can see right there, they said first and foremost, each bar the fuel that powers a DYOR service. So it's basically the token leveraging to solve the Edera service, like running the smart contract of a DYOR service. Okay. So and also helping in file storage, regular transactions, and it helps to secure the network since H bar users can stake their coin to access with the maintaining to basically help the network. So it's actually the native currency of a Edera hash graph. So having a platform where which is used for basically speed, efficiency, and security. Okay, and also when you want to also look at we've looked at the history of you want to look at the history of a token, the utility, what problem is it trying to solve, the consensus protocol, which is either the proof of stake, proof of work, is it mining, is it validating transactions by staking, or miners are the one validating the transactions. What those things are also important. Is it leveraging on Ethereum blockchain, leveraging on Solana blockchain, or leveraging on Binance Smart Chain? Mostly scammers find it easy to like create tokens or coins on Binance Smart Chain because it's the gas fee is so, or the creation fee is so low that they can easily create a coin easily and r- create a rock pool and get away with it. But using Ethereum still, it's also the same. It's like replicating the same code for Ethereum to create a Binance Smart Chain, but still it can't be that easy. Now, the third thing you want to look at is the website, how the website is structured. Is it a template? Are they using a template? And how do you know about that? Is it coded well? So we're saying that. Okay, right now. Okay, so right there. Now this is a confirm coding website. So it was greatly coded, basically. So with what I'm saying, it's well coded. So what you want to check the code using, if they've got GitHub, go check the code and check everything, and also check the website if it's a template. But basically what I'm saying, it isn't a template, so we cool, right? So What you want to check also is their socials. How many engagement have they got on their socials? Uh, yeah, we're going to be going to their Twitter account first. Also, people someone find it easy buying account, buying Twitter account, buying Twitter followers, join followers, um, click by click or follow by follow, like to grow their socials easily. But the tools I find easily personally that I use personally to like check if if the project is kind of scammy or having a red flag is um to know if the followers is fake, or because scammers find it easy to like create fake followers, and since we don't know how to do your daily basic research, you like find it easy to like go see by what you see when the engagement is so low and having too much followers. You want to like see that something so damn fishy. So now I'm going to be showing you guys like this age bar right now, Edera. So I'm going to be like do using I you basically use three websites, which follower audit, Twitter for Twitter audit, and also Spectoro. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your research. So we actually the website right now. So what we want to check on is check the website, check the team. So Edera, then we check it. Okay. So that is kind of the username. So we're gonna check the project. So it's gonna ask us like redirect. So it's kind of doing its analysis. I see right there. This is kind of legit. Having 89 followers, having 10% um fake followers, at least from like the variation of those are kind of not in has been inactive for like 2 months, 3 weeks or so. So inactive, fake. Some created an account just to spam people and just go. So that's kind of fake. So, but still seeing this is way legit. 89.72. It isn't a joke basically. So as you can see right there, if it's gonna be fake, you're gonna be seeing the emoji is gonna be like a sad one, okay, kind of a sad one. So that is kind of a good thing for Adera, which is one of my best project. So also what we want to keep in mind is what the project is giving, like are they docs. Yeah, that is very extremely so damn important. I don't mind using the D word. So you want to check if the socials, if they are doxed, because who are to be held responsible in case anything is happens to the network or anything happens to the project? Who are going to be held responsible? So you want to check that also. Let's go to their website to check if they are doxed, and also you want to check their engagement. How many how many are they participating, what kind of stuff matters for a project coming to the big city. So we're gonna be looking at the very who are in charge of the project, like are they decentralized or centralized? That's one thing. I- Even if they're decentralized, are they docked? So what we're going to be looking at for is, let's look at the transparency. Let's say the transparent audit. Yeah, also you want to look if they're audited. That that is way so damn important. Who are who audited them? Is it static? Is it because I basically still kind of trust static because we have so many um audit company out there like 12 like Tech Rate uh, and others. So we'll check. I guess Darren showed they aren't showing the stuff, but I guess it should. They did, I guess. About they're about. So you'll be seeing this by checking the social. Still want to see if they're doxed. That's what we're looking for. Support. Nope. 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 I guess in fact it can be found on the website. Then all you can do is you search on Google like there are founders just to at least know who is in charge of the project. Okay, so you go to Google, then you're gonna say this, then click on uh sorry, that's a mistake. It's a Dera. Okay, so you want to then you check who it is, who is this, then you check uh this is Dr. Limon, you can say there, check Limon and Mans Almond. So those are the two co-founders and the CEO itself. So that is how basically you do your research on how the project is to go, is any project you want to invest in. And lastly, let's check out the engagement on the socials to know when the engagement is, if it's cool, if it isn't. Okay, so just go to their Twitter account once again. Also want to check their Discord or any other socials or a Telegram channel to know if they are very way engaging. As you can see, having like 250K followers, and yeah, it's still around 419. It's cool, but still not good enough. It's at least having like 5K or 1,000 likes, still good there. As you can see right here, 700 plus. So still good, still good. So that is basically how you do a research, and I'm going to be still sharing more videos on how the tools that you can use to help you into your research and to be ahead of the market in this bearish period. So until next time, if you find this video helpful, once again, can you do us a big favor by tapping the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, and kindly tap like, share, and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.